Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a character on Character AI. This Character AI is easy and allows you to design a unique personalities for engaging conversations. Follow these steps. First, go to Character AI and log into your account. Click the Create button, usually found on the home page. Select the Create a Character to begin. Now you need to fill out the main information about your character. The name. Choose a name that fits your character's identity. The greeting message. This is the first message your character will send when someone starts chatting. Short description. A quick introduction. For example, a mysterious detective with sharp mind, or you can state whatever you want. Then, you can also put a long description. It provides a more detailed backstory, personality traits, and how they respond. Then, fine tune your character's behavior with these settings. Personality traits define if they are kind, sarcastic, shy, or bold. Speaking style do they use a formal language, casual, slang, or poetic speech? Then, also the knowledge and interest how do they know? Are they experts in history, sci fi, or fantasy? Then add sample dialogues to train how they should respond. Then set up the advanced settings, adjust the tone, expressive or neutral what should be, the visibility, the memory, and then test and save. Chat with your character to see if it behaves as expected, make adjustments if needed, and click save to finalize your character. And that's it. You've now created your own character AI bot. Have fun chatting and improving it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!